Hi, Sean Costa Mason R&D. Well, today we have a Spitfire head on our bench that we've just finished up. And I want to show you what we did to this because we've done some serious modifications to it. We did a mild port job on the thing, nothing real radical. But we did install some Beehive valve springs, and we installed some 6mm stem valves. And that means that they're going to be a lot lighter than the stock valves, because the stock valves are like 8mm, 5/16, basically the same thing. And we've actually made the valves a lot bigger than what they were. But we're actually using Subaru valves that we've modified, and these will actually work out quite well because these came out of a turbo motor, which means that the exhaust valves are going to be made out of much better material than what the Spitfire would have ever had. So anyway, this is just one of the things that we do here, a new kit that we're developing. We had to make valve guides for this, of course, so that the valves would fit in there. And of course we had to modify the retainers, we had to make a spring spacer, and it's all working out quite well. John Costa Mason R&D, we'll see you soon.